Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect the most crucial industries to make your city grow. For instance, we are going now to make it in a desert area. So I expect in a desert area we will need water and food to make our city grow bigger. So I'm going to make a small map. So we make things much more faster with the small maps because the industries are closer one to another. So we made this industry. Okay, we made this map actually. World generation map size is small. Number of cities will put in high, and this we will keep as it is. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make city grow bigger, how to make satisfaction, or so called, in the cities. Okay, now I'm going to search for the city that needs water and food to grow. Most of those cities need that in this map type, this desert type of the map. For instance, one thing that you should know is, for instance, this city needs water and food, but to make transport between water supply and city you need a water tower in the city, and this is what it is. So you must search for the water tower in the city. So this is what it is. We can make transport between water supply and this city because it has a water tower. We are now going to find for a water supply, and this is the water supply, the green, this is the water supply. Okay, I think we have everything to start now. I'm going to make a road between water supply and Perfing Bridge city. I made a road. Now the next progress is to make stations. I will put us 2 stations just to make things go a little bit faster, because when you have a small number of stations and a lot of vehicles, then they are very slow, you know. They will make how you say, colognes. It will go much more slowly. When you have bigger number of stations, they will use more station for loading the cargo and water, and no matter what are you transporting. So there will be no holdings on the road and stuff, just like in normal world will do. Okay, so we made this. We made connection points between Perfing Bridge and Fort Greatborough North water supply. Next thing we know we need is trucks that can transport water. So one thing I want to tell you a bit before I buy a trucks is this. So this is the loading point, and this is unloading point. I always buy trucks in the garage that is at unloading points, because when you buy trucks at the loading point, first they are going to make one empty leg to the unloading point, and then they are going to load things. So I'm going now to buy the vehicle. This is the vehicle we need, UHL water tanker. I'm going to buy one. I will show you how to make clones of it. First we are going to put some orders on the vehicles. So to put an order, you click on the vehicle and you go to this arrow over here. This is the list of the orders. So currently no orders of this vehicle, so we are going to put the first orders for this one. First he's going to go to Fort Greatborough North, that is water supply, to load water. So Fort Greatborough North, full load any cargo. Then go to Perfing Bridge and unload and leave empty. Go back to the loading point. So unload and leave empty at Perfing Bridge. Once he made unloading at the Perfing Bridge, he will go back to the Fort Greatborough North. This is our first. Look at this. One of our opponents made a station in the meantime. Okay, so we gave orders to our first vehicle. Now we want to make a much more vehicles, not only one, because one vehicle cannot do the job. We need more vehicles. So since I made orders to the first vehicle, I'm going to push this button over here, this icon, sorry. I'm going to click at this icon. This will make a copy of the first vehicle that we made. The copy means totally clone, with the same orders, with same schedule, with everything same. So we bought 6 vehicles now. We have 6 vehicles that can transport water from one point to another. So I'm going to click at this green little dot to send our vehicles to the loading point. Just to check something, please. Okay. Now what I want to do next is to connect industries that are producing food. And here is the food plant. Food needs fruit and maize. Since I don't see any maize, here it is. Our opponent already made it. Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to also make a station at the maize. Wait, it's a long land slowly the wrong way. Maize over here. Put 2 stations on. Make a garage here, and then we are going to make it the way to the food plantation to transport maize to the food factory. But as we can see, our opponent is doing a much more faster job than we do. That's okay. We are not competing in this tutorial, we are just making it. We are just making it to show you how the things are done. This is the maize farm, so we need a grain truck. Grain truck will do transport between Denninghall West food factory. It's going to unload the maize at the food factory, no, so unload and leave empty and go to Pleaheton Springs West and full load any cargo. We also need the clones of these vehicles. We'll make several clones and send them to do the job. Okay. Okay. In the meantime, let's see what our water truck did. Okay, I see they are making a job very good. The next truck is going to unloading. 76, 29, 5%, 0%. He made 309, I think, dollars to us. Now let's see. You see, water delivered. We made a very good job in this. We delivered water to the city. Now the city is satisfied. They have water, but also they need food to grow bigger. And that's what we are going to do in the next part of the tutorial. So watch out our part 2, since in the part 2 you will see how to transport food and how the city grows bigger.